Hello, Collins Communication Nigeria Limited. I'm a say, Bafunu Makala. Bam. Yes, this is my food. Yesterday, the thing just suddenly went off. Suddenly, I'm here getting go about it. I'm here gaga. So, we should come back to Collins because I had a lot of my food. I got one.
Yeah. Just went off.
Bam. Yeah, man. I pick at the phone no green up. I said, let me come to Collins. I believe you know what to do.
Nothing.
No, what am I talking about? Nothing.
Just like that.
Just like that.
There must be something that caused it.
My brother, nothing.
Nothing.
Hey. Mom, I don't know, I'm confused.
That's more challenge now.
I trust you. Hello, Collins Communication.
Yeah.
I cannot move one. Nama Jakey.
A very small one.
I trust you. I trust you. I trust you.
What's the latest technology? You can only find it in another country. Okay, one, it will diagnose and tell us the problem and the solution to it. Latest technology in town.
I trust you. If I didn't trust you, will I be here?
Yeah.
And it's only you, Nama Jakey.
They're safe from. We don't work blindly.
Hello, Collins Communication Nigeria Limited. Number one, Nama Jakey.
Yeah.
Collins, should I go and come back?
No, you take it right now.
Okay, I'll take it right now. That's why I trust you.
Stop, man. Take it right
I'll
now.
wait.
Alright. I don't know the test now. So what happened to this phone?
Nothing.
Hey, you are very, very lucky.
Jabut.
Very, very lucky. I will increase the volume here, eh? What happened? I won't know when I'm watching, but I want to I will their number. I think alright. Hey, listen, eh?
Hey. Now we're going to go and jollock. Oh, and I jollock. I can't do it. I'm not phone in your phone. I got easy. You must have wow, about the non administrative cool phone. Come transaction now. Mobile app you. You have 500 million. Lenon Nama, I'm going to 500 million accounts. I'm not going to show the phone for money on. So, but I'm not a phone. I'm not touching the phone. What how am I not going to
Jaboti. Eh? Somebody said to take my money. And my phone went off. Hey! Are you serious? Hey, Collins. No, that's why I trust you. And I know it's only you that can do this for me. Can you just remove everything? All those viruses that I put in my phone that they want to use that and hack my money. Remove all of them. Why for that phone? Hey!
He shock you! But do you have that kind of money in your account?
I opened 500 million before. Can man value with 500 million on my account? These people must be wicked. Eh? So how do you mean I have such money now? They don't put my money just like that. No. Please do something. Do something. Hey, Alapan is alright.
Oh, it's more challenge. I do that for you. You see the American one.
Hello, Collins Communication. Number one, I'm a JK. That's why I trust you. Hey, okay, let me wait. Let me wait.
I do that for you.
Up here. Up here. My phone is okay now.
Perfectly okay now.
So my phone is perfectly okay.
Perfectly okay.
Are you serious?
Right.
Let me see.
Perfectly now.
It's an error.
He shock you.
Collins, I trust you.
Yeah.
You see,
That's why we are here.
if not you, I don't know what I could have done. When I will get come anywhere, say I want to repair or fix my food. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I always rely on you. Hey!
You're welcome. We now spread the good news, eh? That's what you do for us.
Hello, Collins Communication. Nama JK. No, where I am. Oh, again. Hey!
For us.
God bless you. Jabote. I will transfer that money to your account.
Yeah!
Transfer. You transfer 500 million. I transfer 10,000.
Man, let's go to my 500 million.